What if I told you that your financial freedom and personal privacy are under threat and you don't even realize it? The world is moving towards a complete digital control at an alarming pace. And if you don't take action now, you could find yourself locked out of your own money and not in control of your financial future. If you're serious about protecting yourself and your financial sovereignty, let's dive in. Hi, I'm Todd Polke, a wealth strategist and investment coach who has helped thousands of people build multi-million-dollar investment portfolios and create true financial freedom. But here's the thing, financial freedom means nothing if you don't have control over your own money. And right now, that control is slipping away faster than ever, and I am truly scared for people who are not in control of their world in this way. The level of control that governments and corporations now have over our personal data, over our finances, and even our ability to move freely is unprecedented. And if this concerns you as much as it does me, make sure you drop a comment below and let me know. By the end of this video, you're going to learn how to secure your devices from government and corporate tracking. You're going to learn to stay safe online using encrypted tools and privacy-focused browsers. And I'm going to help you protect your financial freedom with decentralized systems and avoid the traps of digital identities and cashless control. So, if you're ready to take control of your privacy and your security, make sure you stick around. And if you like this kind of comment, hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss future videos. And stay to the end because I've got a really important gift to be able to give you in this as well. That's really going to help you to set this up and create financial sovereignty for you and your family for the future. Now, the first step in protecting yourself is securing your devices. Your phone and computer are constantly being tracked whether you realize it or not. And here's what you need to do. Use strong passwords and a password manager. Avoid using the same password every year. I mean, this is simple stuff, right? Install a privacy-focused operating system or at least lock down your settings. Encrypt your communications by using apps like Signal instead of WhatsApp, for example. Use a VPN. Now, if you don't know what a VPN is, it's a virtual private network to encrypt your internet activity. Stop using Google Chrome's and instead switch to privacy-focused browsers like Brave or Firefox, which can really level up your level of privacy. Or choose search engines like DuckDuckGo instead of Google to reduce tracking. Enable two-factor authentication, but use an open source tool like Aegis instead of Google Authenticator to be able to help you do this. And if you already do use a VPN, type VPN in the comments and let me know which one you use. It's always great to get a bit of a gauge and a bit of a checklist of different ones you can go and check out. And I know which one I'm using at this point in time. Now, let's talk about your money. Your financial freedom is under attack, but there are ways to stay ahead. You want to keep some of your wealth outside the traditional banking system. Learn about decentralized finance, DeFi you might know it as, and Bitcoin for secure transactions. Be mindful about cashless payment systems that track your spending, and consider privacy-focused banking alternatives or even some alternative structuring to help set you up so frankly, your business remains your business. You know, governments and banks are pushing for central bank digital currencies and they are on the way whether you like it or not, which is going to give them even more control over how you spend, and the time to prepare is now. What is at risk is your ability to be able to be in control of your own decisions and keeping your business. And what's stopping the government in the future from fining you because you're not behaving the way you want. So I want to know, have you ever had this experience yourself? Have you ever had a bank freeze your money, close down an account, stop you from buying crypto or transferring money with the way you want to be able to do it? Have you ever had that experience? Let me know what your experience is in the comments, because I can guarantee you the number of people I speak to, this is a more common thing than people actually even realize. The next thing you can do is that you can learn about decentralized finance, or you might know it as DeFi, and Bitcoin to be able to secure your transactions. Be mindful of cashless payment systems that can track your spending along the way, and then consider privacy-focused banking alternatives or even some alternative structures to keep some of your money even safer. You know, one of the things I'm a big believer in is setting up different wealth pods around the world. So do you know what? When the government decides to do their next dumb thing in the next pandemic or the monkeypox or the bird flu or whatever different thing kind of comes our way, and you decide, you know what, I am not going to participate in these lockdowns. I am not going to participate in my life being controlled. You've got different pockets of wealth in different areas in the world that you can then go tap into, that you can go and realize the freedom again for you and your family, right? So you may want to be able to consider this. Governments and banks are pushing for central bank digital currencies, and they are on the way, whether you like it or not, which will give them even more control on how you spend. What they might even wind up doing is fining you if you don't behave the way that, hey, the government thinks that you should be behaving. So what you want to be thinking about doing now is that now that you know the threats, it's time to take action. Here are some of the final top tips that you can do right now to get started. Secure your devices, install a password manager and use encrypted messaging. Change your browser and search habits, ditch Google and go private. Start using a VPN today. Your data deserves protection. And learn about creating financial sovereignty in your life, and don't just rely on one system. If you found this video valuable, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button for more content just like this. Now, I said before that I have a gift for you. I've created a 30-page guide called the Privacy Code, which is going to give you a step-by-step that you can follow on how you become a digital ninja and start protecting your future, protect your privacy, and protect your finances. If you want a copy, jump over to my Instagram at Todd Polke and message me the word ninja, and we're going to be happy to give you a copy. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.